Barge have the same name. Yeah. Usually, but that doesn't always mean that they will.
Was this used to be a regular ship that would go?
No. This is VanEnkevort Tug and Barge Company. They don't make freighters, they only make tugs and barges. It's moving fast.
It looks like a regular freighter, but it was just chopped in half.
It looked like nobody's had
Hey, it used to be the Lakes Contender.
He's waving at us. What's up, guys?
Hi.
Oh, he's gonna salute.
Sit down.
Yay!
Let's go.
It used to be based out of Erie, Pennsylvania. Do you see that?
Asking out now.
This used to be the Ken Boothe or whatever, and that used to be the Lakes Contender. So you can see it on the barge and the tug.